Are you planning to move to Canada and wondering how to secure your ECA report? In this video, you will learn how you can effectively secure your report, which is a critical step for everyone looking to move to Canada. Many applicants face confusion and delays in obtaining their ECA, which can lead to frustration and missed opportunities. This is often due to lack of understanding of the process, which can seem complex and overwhelming at first. But the truth is, with the right guidance, securing an ECA report can be a straightforward process. The ECA report is a vital document that confirms the Canadian equivalent of your education qualification, and it is a mandatory requirement for many of Canada's immigration program. One of the most common mistakes applicants make is leaving their ECA report to the last minute, thinking it's a simple process that can be completed quickly. However, this is far from the truth. The ECA report process can take several weeks, even months and years, depending on the country where you study. Another mistake applicants make is not preparing all necessary documents, which can lead to delays and even rejection. By understanding the process, preparing the necessary documents, and planning ahead, you are well on your way to a successful immigration application. To get started with an ECA, you need to pick your credential assessment body. There are several, think about 5 of it in Canada. You have WES, you have ICAS, you have EQAPS, and there is 2 others that are required. So depending on your profession, whether it is engineering, then you should use WES. Once you've selected the agency, you will need to gather the necessary documents, which include your transcript, diplomas, and other supporting documents. It is essential to ensure that these documents are accurate and complete. The next step is to submit your application and pay the fees and wait for your ECA report to be issued. This can take several weeks depending on your country of study. For some, it is as simple as a day. For others, it could take months depending on how fast you can get that information back and forth to Canada. The key insight here is that being proactive and organized can drastically reduce the time that it takes to receive your ECA report. By understanding the process, preparing the essential document, and planning ahead, you will avoid the common mistakes and ensure that your application is submitted on time. This gives you a significant advantage over other applicants and increase your chances of success. By taking control of your ECA reports, you regain control of your immigration application and ensure that it is processed efficiently. This gives you peace of mind, reduce stress, and increase your chances of success. If you are about applying for an ECA report and you are confused, please watch this video over here that will show you step by step how you can fill in the form. I walk you through how you can do that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out other videos in the channel about immigration tips and leave your questions and comments in the section below. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the very next video.